The West Virginia 16-foot building from Best Barnes is a great garage for the do-it-yourselfer builder. Available in lengths of up to 32 feet, it has plenty of room for your car and additional storage. An 8-foot wide by 6'6" high garage door is purchased separately. Add windows and walk-in man door and install in any location desired. Stairs can be oriented to either the left corner or right corner opposite of the garage door. The second floor features a clear span 2x6 truss design, giving you plenty of room for additional storage or work area. Headroom at center is 7 feet 1 inch and 5 feet 9 inches at the truss knee. You may choose to install windows on either gable end. Best Barnes recommends installing railings as appropriate for your needs. The West Virginia can be insulated and interior finished for better heating and cooling. Thank you for your consideration of our Best Barnes DIY storage and garage kits.